Today we'll be trying some of Costco's healthy treats. Okay, we're gonna start with Heavy Hunks chocolate peanut butter. Ooh, they're like cubes. That's exciting. Those are perfect if you need something sweet. Peanut butter and chocolate is the best combo, so I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. That was really good. Okay, next we're gonna try the Heavy Hunk dark chocolate ones. They look so good. Okay. That one's good too. It's giving chocolate chip cookie, which are also good. They're really good. I think I like the peanut butter ones better because they add peanut butter to it, but these ones are also really good. I might give these like an 8.5. Again, if you're looking for a healthy, sweet treat, Heavenly Hunks. Heavenly Hunks. Last but not least, we have coconut bites. They come individually wrapped. And they smell so good. There's chocolate on the bottom. Okay. Whoa. Those are really good. 10 out of 10.